Wow. That's so loud.
Every night, that's all you hear.
I'll put a wash on the side and off, I've got it. So I probably should have done in the first place.
How to build a sunroof.
Step 1. I have no clue what I'm doing. So guessing games.
I know. That's the joys of it though. That's pretty much how you learn to do things though.
Sure is. Right. This time, step washers in it.
That's if you've got washers.
I've got one here, and I should probably have another one here kicking about. I have. So put one on your side, if you can.
Big enough washer?
Aye. Because of the big food.
No, I'm gonna take it right.
Shit.
Take it right out and put it in.
Get plenty of this. Aye. Is that fitting?
Yep.
Right.
Tail it.
Things first, slide it through a little bit. Oh, will she find the other side? Yes, she will. Right, hold it there. A second. This should help keep the dash straight as well, because it's starting to bend the bolt because the dash is bent slightly.
The table was kind of bending on a wee bit as well. When we were there.
Because this desk is cheap shite. IKEA crap that they charge £100 for yet. Yeah, it's crap shite.
Let's see.
Right, we want to start feeding the bolt through. Like a multitask thing. You've got to like put like 2 washers in with 2 nuts and then kinda, as you do it, kinda keep the dash in place and do 4 things at once basically. If you want to push your bolt right through you can.
Because of that bolt.
Is that right through?
No, it's still hanging through this side. It's no.
Oh, I know
That's
what
it
the
right
problem is,
through.
hold on.
Because of that bolt.
Because of the inside nut.
Nuts are us.
Let it right through.
Aye.
I'm trying to get as much as possible with my finger.
That's what she said.
That's what she says.
You bend that, it's dusty.
And again, dear. Again, not too tight though. Just snug.
No, I'm trying to get this on the top.
Is it?
It doesn't want to go on proper.
I might have put it the wrong way round.
Just not wanting to grip it.
Is it? Ah, the other way.
This way.
Other way.
I was going that way. I just wasn't wanting to.
Aye, it's just because it's loose though, that's all. Where was it? Is it? Let's see. Maybe I've got
Something
it.
saying you've moved it.
Aye, I didn't move it, sorry. I did it the wrong way round, I thought that. You want to tighten it up?
Make me look like a right tip.
Slow down. This is
That's
like
what she
cheap
said.
shite. If you want to hold it, I'll just nip it up. So that we can hear the wood crunching if it's going to start.
Alright, it's
Like
clinking
that.
now.
Oh. Excuse me. Oh man. Oh my god. Chili.
A man and a chili don't mix.
No.
Oh man.
That is a ripper.
That's like someone's spinning.
That 1 bolt, 3 washers and 3 nuts. And the world goes round.
And it stinks of chili in here.
Oh man, it's bad. That's bad, isn't it? That's more secure now and it's not flexing as much. How is it on your side?
That's fine.
That's because of the washer spreading its load. If you can match it up, I'll tighten this side in. I don't want to pull it too far out of the right because dash will start flexing.
Nah, you don't want to take flexing.
As you can hear.
It'll cause your ball and it's worth to do it that way.
One minute. One of the act. We shall see. Steam columns are a good bit away yet. I'll need to get special brackets made for it. Take this out the now because I want to look after it just for a view. Speedometer for saxo VTR.
Bye bye.
Right. Next, I'm going to tackle. I was going to do the other dash mount, but I don't know. I'll double check the tightness of them. There's that washer there or something for.
That's what happens when you leave bits lying about.
Aye.
Here he comes again.
10.
Noisy. Bye, pigeon.
That's actually a bit tighter. Oh! Saxo!
There you go. Got your dashboard. Yeah, we got this at the saxo.
That's looking alright.
Saxo.
It's actually pretty secure considering there's no securement at the bottom yet.
Nice bum.
I'm going to make up something of this thing.
Nice ass.
Thank you. Pretty tight.
That's what she said.
Wait, what's that? Need that in a minute.
The dowel.
The dowel. Of all dildos.
The wooden dowel. Originally was a desk, but now it's like transforming into this.
Mad idea.
If it works, it works.
What?
That looks as if it's going to be quite low.
That isn't it? It does look quite low.
You're going to have to sit in one of the range chairs.
The thing is, see when I get a drift wheel though with a hubby, the hub will bring the extension out and it'll probably sit a good bit further, which means it'll be higher up.
But you still be able to see your speedo.
Aye. Aye, you should be able to. Right, I've got a shitload of wires in there. That'll be the other part, which was originally.
Is that the metal bit?
Aye, it went through here, but it gave us problems when we were trying to get it out. Aye, it sits like that, and it was meant to go into the flare, and that secured the dash for here.
Yeah.
But we didn't really have anything securing the dash for the bottom, you know. I need to finish tightening up these heater box bolts. I was going to clean it, but it's in now and I'm not pulling it back out.
No, I wouldn't either.
So I'll just tighten all the bolts up. 2 there and 1 there. We'll do the bracket at this side and then we'll do the heater. In fact, no, we'll do the heater now because if we need to cut our drill, it's getting quite late.
Yeah, it's getting quite late now. What time is it?
Right, yeah. See if you actually look at this.
Well, it's 8:25.
Is it? See if you actually look at this, it's actually pulled this out a bit.
I know, that's what I was saying to you, it was pulling it in a bit.
There's no really keeping it apart unless we're stuck in a bit of wood in between. No,
That's why I said putting the wood in the bottom so
that
would
wouldn't work actually. Do you know what I was going to suggest there? Is put the desktop on the bottom. But that wouldn't work. Right, we'll do the heater motor and see what we can do. Actually still floating about like a
floppy dick.
Floppy dick. Actually, do you know what? And you know what you could do? Unbolt it for here, right? And then just screw it into this bit, but I don't know how tight that would be. That's just like,
It might not be that
that's just chipboard I think, isn't it?
It's
I
just
don't know
like...
if it's even, I'll go in and try and put a screw in it, a wood screw. Let's see if it's any good.
One of the previous holes for the last Simric.
See, we need to make space in here for the heater motor.
Screwing a nail in.
Just seeing if it'll catch and if it's going to go tight.
I don't think it will go tight.
And it's hollow inside, but this bit might use a bit of
leeway.
Aye.
No,
Well, it's getting quite tight. Aye, I might be able to get away with that. I'll try and pull it out a bit, man.
Nice little holes.
That's another bit, right?
Okay.
Wow, it's fun lifting this down the stair. Fucking hell.
You just need to take the legs off it. And just take it down
I
separately.
don't know. Might well be the only way. This is a tricky bit.
You want me to hold it?
See, look, that's better already. See that? This is a fun bit.
I would get a chair
Aye.
and use
Right,
the
we're done
chair.
then. Let's get one and get the height. So much easier for the power drill.
Middle finger.
Right.
Oh, I can feel that dash slipping.
Aye.
It's moving too far to your side, but it's coming for now.
Hopefully this is the right height.
Oh shit. Well, it's kind of lined up there with the top bit. Just needs pushed in. What lovely aftershave you have.
Oh, sweaty body odour. That screw body.
In the wood.
It's getting fucking
Tight.
aye, very.
See, that's kind of like
It's half a bit in it.
a wee bit flush, but no flush. That's because the whole thing was moving.
I know. I didn't think it was going to be perfect first time. Wee bit shingy.
If we lifted this up a wee bit.
I know. See if I had a fucking power drop, it was so much easier. As long as the dash is level.